2 winters ago, I was walking home after a show, and that was the first time I saw your smile. You caught me staring, and before I knew it, you were beside me. We talked all the way home. I hardly remember anything else about that night. That's just the way love goes. I was swept off my feet. Trust me, I know you felt that too. I love you more now than ever before. Even after all this time, you continue to help me soar to new heights. My wings have only grown stronger with you by my side. And I can be anywhere, but I happily rest in our nest and watch the sunset on the lake. I might not feel real, but it's okay, 'cause that's just the way love goes. You push me farther, it shows. Thankful you don't fly without me. I love you more now than ever before. You were the best when I was the worst. As sick as it sounds, you had every reason to leave. I was addicted, is what it is. It was a habit that you helped me kick. I tend to laugh whenever I'm sad, because I know you'll always be by my side now. We made amends, we're happy again, and I never want to fly.